20 action verbs in English. Part 2. Kick. Kick. To hit with the foot. Example, he kicks the ball. Swim. Swim. To move in water. Example, he swims in the pool. Throw. Throw. To send something through the air. Example, he throws the ball. Catch. Catch. To grab something moving. Example, he catches the ball. Push. Push. To move something away using force. Example, he pushes the door. Pull. Pull. To move something toward you. Example, he pulls the rope. Carry. Carry. To hold and move something. Example, she carries food. Lift. Lift. To raise something up. Example, he lifts the box. Climb. Climb. To go up something. Example, he climbs the mountain. Hit. Hit. To strike something. Example, she hits the drum. Draw. Draw. To make a picture. Example, she draws trees. Paint. Paint. To color using paint. Example, she paints a flower. Clean. Clean. To make something tidy. Example, he cleans the room. Fix. Fix. To repair something. Example, he fixes the pipe. Buy. Buy. To get something with money. Example, she buys vegetables. Sell. Sell. To give something for money. Example, he sells food. Build. Build. To make something by putting parts together. Example, he builds a house. Break. Break. To damage something. Example, she breaks the glass. Choose. Choose. To pick one thing. Example, he chooses a book. Wait. Wait. To stay until something happens. Example, she waits for the bus. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.